Hi! Welcome back to Kelsey's channel.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a fun little challenge using the Vault palette by Morphe in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. And I'm not going to be doing this alone. I'm going to be doing it with a special guest, a friend, Andrea!
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kelsey's channel. Hi, how are you?
Okay, Jeffree Star. She's the one who provided us with this beautiful palette today.
We're gonna be recreating one of
Jaclyn
Hill's videos, tutorials on her Vault collection.
Yeah, we're gonna be watching one of her tutorials and we're gonna be following it. So we'll see if we fail and who does it better.
Yes.
Or worse.
Yes. Definitely let us know in the comments down below at the end of the video.
Okay, so we already have our base on. Make it easier and just start with the eye look. So the video we are following is called First Official Tutorial Using the Vault Collection by Jaclyn Hill. Her tutorial says to start with the color Rush from the Ring the Alarm palette.
I don't have her brushes.
You do? Hey! I'm a pro!
We're not started right here.
M441, yes. Okay. So the next thing she says to do is go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette and use the color Access and kind of make it an ombre effect on top of the Rush one. So
is the shade of Mugshot.
okay, you're going too fast.
Well, this is better lighting. Yeah. I was about to tell you how this video is yellow because of me. I was supposed to come over earlier, so we use the sunlight, but oops, she's gonna probably edit it out.
No, you can curse.
Oh, I can?
Yes.
I
I don't get paid, I don't care.
Oh, true. I'm always late, so a fact about me.
Outer corner and blend it, and it doesn't matter if it's messy.
Orangey, kind of poopy, like baby,
Poopy, yeah.
Baby,
kind of just like yummy toffee brown.
She put translucent powder like on this area where I'm putting this powder, and then I'm just gonna blend it out later. So this is to like fix your mistakes after. The fallout falls on here, and then you just swipe it off.
Swipe it up.
Okay, I'm ahead of her, so I'm gonna play it. She's like the person I learned makeup with. Like, that's how I know how to do it. Well, I used to know because I don't practice anymore. So next she said to go in with the Bling Box palette, which is this one, and to go with Sparks and mix it with Alert. So Sparks and Alert. So we're gonna mix those two.
I'm gonna go in with the Bling Boss palette right here. Just the purple palette. I'm gonna grab
What? I don't get what you're doing.
gorgeous.
I'm trying to mix it.
But what does she do? Oh, packing it like in the middle, kind of, right?
The entire outer corner.
The entire outer corner. She just put motion on the outer corner. Like, what is she doing with her life?
Mine's a mess.
Alert and Sparks, right?
Right here.
This shit is not showing up like
hers.
Oh,
Oh, you have to put a lot.
I'm in it. I'm in it. What are you supposed to do with freaking Access?
You're supposed to blend it out. Blend out Sparks and Alert with Access.
Sparks?
So it's a good transition.
Oh, transition.
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing the same shit.
Okay, next she says to get concealer to make the cut crease. So just put it in the back of your hand like that.
Look, is this it?
No. We're doing a cut crease now.
Mind you, we've never done this in our lives, so
I'm scared.
chill. Bitch. No, I mean it like bitch, I mean it like bitch. Also, this is a palette of the resale. You know how the beginning, like the first part, like
it was badly
Yeah.
packed. So yours are the good packed? This is a really pretty look. I mean, I suck at it, but it's pretty.
yeah.
One eye is more pigmented than the other.
Shade right next to it, so it's gonna go like a little.
Oh, brr, what?
How many colors she's gonna put in her outer corner. Like, I have no clue.
And now we're gonna go in with Secret.
I have not seen it come throughout this whole video of Jaclyn Hills.
Oh, what? Oh, she's mixing Framed and Secret.
I fucked up.
Me too. I'm gonna blend it out later.
Why did we pick the freaking hardest freaking eye look ever from Jaclyn Hills?
She says it looks hard, but it's super easy. Okay, so I'm just blending out this step that she told us to do.
So we're gonna grab the lolly right here, and we're gonna put it in the where boom and on camera.
Okay guys, so like this is my third video and this is the third time my camera has cut off. Where were we?
We started blending out the lower lash line with Moksha. Okay. And then we are mixing Rush and Access together. And
to like dramatic effect.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going in with Framed, which is like a dark maroon color. That one. And I'm going in like really close to the lash line. I mean the water line.
Oh my god, girl, it looks like someone punched in the face. Stop.
So to highlight her brow bone, she chose to use In Light from her original palette, but we only have the Vault palette. So we're gonna use VIP as the brow bone thing.
Highlighter, nothing.
Okay, so now she's actually gonna go in with VIP and put it in her inner tear duct zone area. And I don't know if she does this later on in the video because I watched the video earlier, but she said to go in with some like translucent powder or foundation and then just softly clean up the...
We're not there yet, or we already passed
I don't know
it.
if we passed it, that's why.
It's like it will last so much longer on your eye.
Should I put falsies on? Do you know how to put them on?
You don't know how to put it up?
No.
Who puts them for you? You never put them in? Oh. Okay guys, so we're done with the eye looks. We're gonna like put mascara and stuff and finish the face off, and we'll be back with the final product. Alright guys, so this is our completed look. How do we look? We moved location for better lighting, but I don't think it did much. But anyways, exhibit number 1.
Exhibit number 2.
So this is my look. And now for the final touch, setting spray.
It's to my face, not my hair. It's a freaking setting spray, not a spray.
I was closing my eyes.
So guys, so fucking annoying. Thank you for having me, Kelsey, and your channel. It was definitely fun. I did not think I was even gonna get closer to this, but I'm pretty excited.
We unleashed our inner artist
with the wrong palette, but I'll be back with the James Charles, I promise.
Show your merch. Your sister's snatched merch.
Hi, sisters.
Okay, what were you saying?
Forgot.
You were saying goodbye.
Oh, I didn't expect for it to come out even as close as this. I think this is a huge progress for me, and actually the first time I've ever tried anything like it, and I really like it. So thank you, Kelsey, for motivating me and awakening my inner artist. So
that's what I'm here for, sister.
Sister, stop.
Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked our looks. Let us know in the comment below what
look do you think won, or
yes, let us go.
Yes, who got the closest to the Jaclyn Hill one? Let's just point out that Kelsey's is more like a golden look than the, but whatever. You know what? It's fine. If you like this video, please leave a big thumbs up down below and subscribe. Click that red button down below too. So, see you next time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye! Say bye!
Oh! I am a very huge fan of James Charles. I think he's Sister Spectacular, so